Want to see how I got this style? Just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so I left this in real time. I forgot to show you how I did do the single plait, but it's just a single plait in the front. And now right here, I'm just going to part out another one. So I'm going to do this 3 times in the front. I did the first one, this is the second one, and now I'll do the third one. After the third one is when you're going to braid it straight back into one cornrow. Or if you don't know how to braid your hair, you can easily just do this all the way back as well. But I'm going to show you how I used the beeswax to straighten out my hair, because I wasn't putting any heat on my hair, because I just did cut it to try to regrow it out again, because it was very damaged at the end and I just didn't have time to deal with it. So you're going to see right here that my hair is actually completely 2 different lengths. Like, it's different lengths all over my head because I just cut them off as plaits. But I'm going to show you how I plaited the second one. I started off as a plait, and then I connected that first plait that you see hanging on my forehead into it, and then continue plaiting it. And I did that again for a 3rd time to the plait behind it. But I didn't show it because this part is all you need to see, because it's basically the same thing. I did this on my whole head. But like I said, if you do not know how to braid or cornrow, you can just do this method all the way back, so that it'd be easier for you. Okay. Okay, so I paused it right here so you can really see how the pattern is. So right here, I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to plait these plaits right here. And then I'm going to crochet them into the braids that I have in my head. my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this hairstyle, which is actually crochet, because I do not have the time to actually sit in the bathroom and actually single-handedly do passion twists myself one by one. I literally did that one time, and you guys, I was in the bathroom for 11 hours. And I'm not even exaggerating. If you think I'm exaggerating, just I'm not, because I'm extra slow. I take my time so I can make sure I actually do it correctly the first time. I'm dead serious. 11 freaking hours. Probably 11 some hours. But I did the individual illusion method that I got from, I think her name was Style by Mary Kay, or Mary Kay Style. Anyway, I'm gonna link her channel down below because she's absolutely one of my favorite people to go to for crochet hairstyles and some hairstyles in general, because like she has it on lock. Okay, I recently started doing like styles like that, like probably crochet. Well, shucks, I think I've been doing it for like a couple of years now, probably like 3 years, 4 years, because I do my own hair. I don't let nobody do my hair anymore, because when you pay your hard-earned money and it don't come out the way you want it to go, I did it. So I was like, I'm gonna learn how to do my own hair. If I can't do it, then I don't need the style. Maybe I'll let somebody start doing my hair again, but for the moment, no. I'm super tender-headed, so I feel like since I went natural, my hair is super tender. So this is the pack of hair that I used. I probably already showed it in the clip, I'm not sure, but I got this hair from my local beauty supply store. This hair is 12 inches and you get 20 pieces in there. Now, I did not realize you get 20 pieces in there, even though it says it on the pack. I don't know, I just picked it up. I think because it's pink, it caught my eye, because as you know, pink is my favorite color, but I think because that's what caught my eye. This hair is so cute. I originally wanted to do another style, but I could not find that hair that she was using. And Amazon wasn't gonna have it in stock until like January 10th. And I was like, no, I need to do my hair now, because I'm not gonna be wearing wigs for a little bit. Because y'all, I don't know about y'all, but every single time like I use some type of glue, like when I was using Got To Be Glued, I was using Eco Styler, it damaged my scalp. And like right here, I have a bald spot right there. Like I have hair on this side there, but on this side I don't. And I don't understand what was going on. Like my scalp had like a gray cast on it for me using that bold hold stuff. And like my skin started looking plastic. I was like, oh no. No, sweetie. We gotta dead that now. Okay, so yeah, this is the hair I use. I love it. Okay, I usually use like the 30-inch ones or the 26-inch ones, but I was like, let me try the 12-inch ones, and I love it. Okay, you can wear it up if you want. Like you can even tell that this is illusion. Like you can't, it looks like it's individually done, but I'm gonna show you the pattern that I used in the actual video, and you will see. It's so simple, so easy. When you crocheting these, and it's probably like 30 minutes, girl. If you're faster, if you're used to braiding your own hair, then the pattern to do it probably take you about an hour. But for me, it took me about a couple of hours, because I'm very, very, very slow. So like I said, I'm very tender-headed too, so I take my time when plaiting. And then I kept doing it and redoing it, because I was trying to figure out how to get the style, like how to do it in the front, because I'm bald right here. Like I'm pretty sure you can probably see it. Like I'm really bald, and it probably look really tight in the front, but it's not at all. But this part is just like, it's a nice bald spot. Okay, so it's like no more wigs for me for a while, no more bold hold. If I wear a wig, I'm probably gonna use the elastic band method. That's it. But putting those hair gels and all that on your skin eventually damage it. I don't know about nobody else, maybe just me because my skin is sensitive, but girl, she was eating my skin up. But yeah, so the price for this hair was $9.99. That's how much they were selling it. I thought it would have been cheaper because it was shorter, because I saw longer hair that was cheaper, but I was like, okay, maybe it's the brand. But I only used 5 packs. You will need more. I feel like you would need about 5 packs. If your hair is bigger than mine, then maybe you could use more, but I always buy extra. So I actually brought 7 packs of these. Only needed 5. I used 4 whole packs, and I used a little bit of the 5th pack, which is pretty good. So if you are somebody, this is really budget friendly. This probably run you about $50, $60 to do this hairstyle, including like the hair gel or whatever you use. I use beeswax, and well, I'm gonna show you everything that I used in the video when I was styling it, when I was doing the pattern, and I'm also show you all that good stuff. I'm gonna have everything linked in the description down below. I'm gonna try to find this hair on Amazon. Hopefully they have it somewhere, and I will also link it. But like I said, this hairstyle is very cheap, very affordable, very quick, okay? Because I go to work in the morning. So yeah, very quick, very cheap, very affordable. We love it. We freaking love it. And you cannot tell. And if you're looking at my scalp anyways, you need to back up because we're in a pandemic. You need to be 6 feet away from me, period. So get back. But you can't tell. Like, you could put the hair, well, I didn't do the illusion method at the back of my head because I wasn't gonna do all that. No. But you can also do that style that way too. I something that you see from the side. Wrong way. So you can see right here. Then you can see right here. Like, and plus the way my hair is falling, you cannot tell. You can also do half up, half down method too. So like I said, love the style. Everything will be in the description below. If you have any questions, leave it down in the description below as well. I will be answering all questions. And yeah, so that's it. I love you guys. I'll see you all in my next video. Hope you have a wonderful day and Happy New Year's too. I don't know if I said it already. Well, probably not because it's gonna be my first video in this year. But Happy New Year's, okay? I love you all and I will be seeing you soon, okay? Bye.